HPE GreenLake Flex Solutions include a cloud-based observability platform powered by HPE OpsRamp software. OpsRamp delivers visibility and control to centrally monitor and manage the resource included in the HPE GreenLake Flex solution. Let's start by provisioning OpsRamp service in the HPE GreenLake Cloud Workspace. To do this, let's log on to the HPE GreenLake Cloud Workspace using a Workspace Administrator account. You can then provision the OpsRamp service to the workspace and select a deployment region. To do this, we'll click Service and Catalog. Under Management and Governance, I will select the OpsRamp service. Click Provision. Then I select a deployment region from the drop-down list. Here we select Europe Central. You can add more regions once the service is installed. You got to agree with the term of the service. And finally, you can click Deploy. The OpsRamp service is now provisioned. It shows up in our services list. And we can also see it in our home page in the recent services. In our next video, we will activate the subscription key in your workspace.